Hello everyone, we are Team Solid. Please let us present the next generation social network, Peterbook. Peterbook represents our user privacy, and we provide user real-time interaction with friends. Here's our demo. This is Jackie. Jackie is a new user who heard of Peterbook from his friend. He wants to try the new, secure social network, but first, he needs to create an account. He clicked on the sign up button. He uploads the most handsome selfie as his profile picture. Next, he fills out the rest of the form. Now, he could log in with the account he just created. When he logs in, he doesn't see any post. This is because he hasn't added any friends yet. However, he found the advertisement really annoying, so he decided to subscribe for the ad-free version. Now, he navigates to the friend page and types in David's email. He sends the request. David approved Jackie's request. Now they can chat, see each other's posts, and interact with each other. Jackie returned to the main page. Jackie can upload the post through a text area at the bottom. He sees his friend's post from the main page. He can comment on his friend's post, and he could also react to the post by clicking on the icon at the bottom left corner. Let's leave a comment for David's newest post. Jackie finds out that there's also a mobile-friendly version of the Peterbook, and he quickly logs in. Now, Jackie wants to reach out to his friend, David. He clicks on the message button on the navigation bar and tells David how much he's enjoying Peterbook. Jackie also wants to post a video. This is done by clicking the bottom area and click the upload video button. And now he can share his video with his friend. Jackie wants to find technical support for a potential bug he met while using the app. So he went to the support page and filled a query. The second part is administrator page. The admin page is mainly used for program monitoring and activity management. We have our administrator page running in the backend. It can only be used by the authorized personnel. It includes user and post management, website usage frequency, and business profit. The third part is technical features and functionality. First, authenticate service. We use Passport as the API. It's simple to implement and it is cross-platform, but some features such as resetting password is not supported. It brings a protection mechanism to user. Second is encryption. We use SSL and Google KMS to support encryption. All the data stored in the database are encrypted. Google might be able to decrypt it. It provides safety to users. We use React.js as the front-end developing language. It is easy to learn and use since we have experience with React.js. It is fast, so it has good user experience. Next is chat service. We solve recent chat service. It requires more work, but the data is more safe. It allows users to chat with each other. Next is image and video uploading and sharing. We use Malter as the API, since it is easy to use. By using Malter, user is able to post image and videos. Next, advertisement. We did not use any API because Peter pointed out that third-party API might harm the security of users' data. The benefit it gives is we can make money through that. Next, technical service. We self-written the technical support page. We have more control and it is user-friendly. It allows users to interact with us when they have problems. We use Google Cloud, Node.js, and MongoDB as the backend language. We have more control of the server. The last one is progressive web app. We use Service Worker to implement it. It allows application fit mobile better. User will have better user experience on mobile.
Here's our pipeline. Everything after stale enforcement will be handled on the server by Jenkins. Jenkins is triggered by the GitHub bug, and it will deploy the latest version of our web app to the remote server on our computer. We have around 50 tests covering database connection, component, and function callback. Database connection tests are run by the backend before deployment to make sure the app is usable. Component and function callback tests are part of the unit test suite. These tests are run by Jenkins as soon as pushed to the production branch to ensure the application is not broken but latest change. For documentations, we have both developer-written documentations and ES-Doc-generated documentations. The written documentations include first-time setup, workflow, local testing of the app, how to use Jenkins, and ES-Doc. All of the written documentations are in the Team Wiki. Team Wiki is a summarization of what has been done and a quick guide of how to further develop based on the existing functionality of the project. ES-Doc generates HTML files on the command we have written in the web component. All of the doc help the future developers to understand where the project is currently at.
Next is the team. I will talk about team task assignment and team contribution evaluation. We have weekly meetings and kept meeting record in the team drive. In the meeting record, there are weekly assignments for each group member. For each assignment, we have assigned soft deadline and hard deadline. We have an evaluation system based on attendance, work quality, and whether they meet all the deadlines. We also monitor the activities in the GitHub repo and Slack to adjust contribution score. Each week, we make sure all group members are clear with their job, and we held one-on-one meeting with the group members with doc in mind. And there are some future improvements that I think are really essential for our application. The first is coordination. One of our task engineers dropped during the mid of the quarter. It shows the team may not be coordinating as well as we thought. It really warned us that maybe something is going wrong. We changed our strategy and make sure our team stayed together. We kept everything public and everyone updated. The second issue is no integration task. We are having technical difficulty implementing integration tasks. Our task group has struggled to learn both the front-end and the tasking as a good tester in both. Third, it's not scalable. The performance might be dropped if multiple users post and get concurrently. This needs socket and synchronization improvement in our inner logic. The last severe issue is UI choices, which might be DX over UX. We often talk to TAs and tuners to make user experience better, but we often give it up for better technology choice and easier implementation. We should consider more user experience instead of development experience. And there are some minor issues such as no email verification when users sign up, and poor third-party API use, and need authorization check on the admin page. This issue we raised above can be solved if we have more time. This is a trade-off of the room of improvement and the time management. And thank you all for listening.
Yes.